Hello guys, welcome to the Great Marketer Show. I'm coming with a new episode of the Great Marketer Show where I believe that all entrepreneurs should take off their entrepreneurship hat and put on their marketer's hat. Where I just interview the top and the great marketers. Where I believe that with the good marketing, we are able to make changes and make impact on more lists. So, oral here, you will just get all your marketing answers. Today, we are inviting the one and only Fatima Tariq, is an affiliate marketer, coach, and founder of Fem Freedom Secrets. Fatima Tariq was doing a job as a chartered accountant trainee and now transformed her life to become a successful affiliate marketer. Fatima made 70,000 USD within 6 months with her coaching and affiliate marketing. So please let me invite the one and only Fatima Tariq. Hi Fatima, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. How's going everything?
Everything is great. Everything is so amazing. What about
Yeah,
you?
it is going good. It's going good. And first of all, thank you so much for coming on my show. I'm so much grateful to have you on my show.
Thanks for having
So
me.
the thing is, yeah. So the people, if you're just watching us live, then put the hashtag live, and if you're just watching it as a replay, then put the hashtag replay. And we are just going to start with a lot of golden nuggets and the bombs here with the golden nuggets. So let's get started with the interview. So, hi Fatima, could you
Hi.
share me your story? Could you tell me your
Yeah.
backstory? How did you
Uh,
come in this journey, and how do you know about this online marketing?
okay. So, like in the beginning of 2021, 2021, I was searching for something, some online business because I have to join CA firm, chartered accountant firm and that was giving us like this stipend of 14,500 Pakistani rupees, which is equal to $80. And $80, with $80 we have to survive in a whole month, 12 hours in a day. So I thought like I should have some income source other than that. Because this is only my hostel fee, how can I survive there? So that's why I was looking for something in March, April. I tried to find out different ways of marketing, and then I saw an ad of affiliate marketing. Like seriously, like this really exists. I first of all I doubted, and but then I applied a free method. CPA, CPL. I don't know what was, but whatever YouTuber said, I applied it, and then I thought, no, if that is real genuine work, then I have to do this, and I will do it because I needed something because for $80 for next 4 years, that was a huge mess. That's gonna be a huge mess. I knew it. So that's why that was my that was the point where I started searching about online space. So finally I reached there. I found out about affiliate marketing through an ad, and then so then it started building, with one thing and another. Like when I knew about one program, then I started seeing new ads, and then finally I reached the point that I thought that I should join it in June. I guess I joined it officially.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, most of the people started with YouTube ad, starting with YouTube ad when they are just watching some of the videos, how we can just make the money. I can just relate that. The one thing is, because you are the CA, you have the certification of the CA, and you're just making the money. So how did you telling this about the affiliate marketing or the something that you wanna do to your family? How you adjust with that?
Actually, I don't tell them. I didn't tell them for like 6 months. Somehow now I told them, okay, okay, I'm earning well from this online space, so I don't need a job because my mother used to say that why you're not going to firm? You should go to firm. Why you did CA? So you wasted money. She is still in that zone. I said to her, I will give you money back. Please don't bother. Please don't bother me. I'm happy with my business. So yeah. So no, I don't tell them that I'm achieving this much or this much, because it's not digestible for them as well, like as it is not for me. But yeah, the main change I feel is there is a lot change in a job salary mindset and a business mindset. Oh God, and that is so massive. That is so amazing. I feel like nothing is better than that.
Literally, our business we can spend more hours, but on the job we can't spend the 8 hours only. Yeah, I can just relate that because in the 2021 or the 2020, from the 2020, I just lost 3 to 4 jobs, and that's why I'm so much busy today because I'm at my job and doing the other stuff, and behind that I'm just connecting with some of the people. So the thing is, when you just started your affiliate marketing, what the first course you have joined, and how did you start your first affiliate marketing, and how did you get your first sale?
Okay, so in May, I guess I knew somebody told me about Freedom Breakthrough. Actually, I saw an ad of Freedom Breakthrough and a review of somebody on affiliate on Freedom Breakthrough, and then I thought like this is the thing. I think I want to go with that. And they are telling us like step by step thing that how to do affiliate marketing, this and that. But again, being here in Pakistan, the main issue was that how will I get money? Am I going to get successful? I have every limiting belief you ever think of, that am I going to be successful or not, the way I am, am I acceptable for this kind of space or not. So like I have every limiting belief you can say. But then I started searching, what I started connecting with people. Okay, I used to say that, okay, can we do it without showing face, can we do it like that or not. Everything I asked them, or how we don't have PayPal here, we don't have this and Stripe, we don't have anything here, how will I get the money if I start making commission. But then I said, oh Fatima, you have to do it, you have to do it. Either you want to live that $80 a month life, or you want to give yourself a chance, so take a chance on yourself. And then I invested in Freedom Breakthrough and one funnel away challenge in June.
That's awesome. The two bestest thing that you have invested, I have invested OFA 3 times. Uh, Not in the Freedom Breakthrough, but I will be start because I'm just now in the funnel designing. So I'm just most focused on the funnel designing and their courses. So this is the biggest investment that people are making, and most of the people are suggesting me to do that with doing your current servicing business of funnel designing. So the thing is, yeah. So thing is, first of all, one person is asking about what are your traffic sources and your lead conversation process. So just share your answer on that.
Okay, basically, I am only on Facebook right now. Now I'm shifting toward Instagram as well. My main traffic source is Facebook. Again, we don't have TikTok here. Mostly the people use TikTok as first platform, but I we don't have TikTok. Now TikTok is there, but still it's not up to the mark where we can use it as a business thing, right? So because we don't have that kind of traffic. So I use Facebook. I build my whole business on Facebook, and now I'm like planning to extend it. So yeah. So my main traffic source is Facebook, content creation, and the lead generation process, if you can say. So build your credibility, build your authority. You don't have to worry about this thing. I learned the process, I invested, I learned, and that's how I'm earning. So follow the main step. You can't skip one or two steps to get it to that place.
Yeah, there is always a stage that we have to take the one step first, then second step, then third step. If we skip any step, then we will drop down to the first step. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
just relate that because when I was just doing the affiliate marketing, I was not able to make money and that situation at that time, and I spent a lot of you can say money and also my time. But right now, I'm just connecting some of the legends people who are just making it the great and just sharing their insights and decades of experience. So the thing is, you are promoting the high ticket. So, okay. So how did you connect with or making the relationship with your audience?
See, my main, you can say my main way is the storytelling telling process and my content. My content speak for me, and they can see the transformation I have when I started out and now what I have. So they relate to that because somehow they also want to achieve that. So the thing is, mainly about first thing is that why I focus on affiliate, high ticket affiliate marketing. I understood in a very beginning of my journey that I am not the kind of a person who can do low ticket affiliate marketing, and it is not for me, I guess. I'm more comfortable with those people who are very clear with their opinion as I am. So because if somebody is into high ticket affiliate marketing, obviously their plans are big, so they are willing to take action. They are willing to change their life. So I relate with that people, those people. So I work with them, and I easily build connection with them. So that's my way. uh, you know Using my own transformation content, and you can say when our whys are related, so we can easily build connection. We can easily grow in that way, that they will get results, I'll get results, and everybody is happy.
That's really you can say a sensible thing, because when we are just finding our mind, a person that can relate with our mindset, so that can be easy process to connect with them and sharing those things that he want to do that, or us want to do that the same thing. Yeah, the thing is, when you just how did you find that particular peoples, because finding that actual mindset people are literally so much hard. So how did you find that, and from where?
As I said that I use only Facebook, and I don't believe in following this and that stuff. The way I need to present in on Facebook, and but any every business, it's all about marketing. It's all about on the you should be at the right spot at the right time. I post content, I'm consistent from last 6 7 months, and now they know me by name. They reach out to me. So most of the time, like, I build my business like that. I work on inbound leads more than outbound. So I don't have to look into that, where do I find it. I find, but I started with that. I shared my success, I shared my stories in the beginning, and that helped me to reach at this level that I'm getting now, inbound leads and all that stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, and you have made a great authority in front of a lot of people, and you are just making a lot of impact on the people that are seeing, and that always react or engage on your posts. So I can just also watch out some of your posts. So the thing is, when you start, it is possible to show your some of the things that you are just having a sales call with them, and how did you approach about the high ticket affiliates
See,
program?
as I told, I had the person who wanted to do high ticket affiliate marketing. They are a little bit confused, but they are kind of sure that they want to achieve that. So qualifying process, you should have a qualifying process, which I have a qualifying process, which kind of what kind of people I want to work with. uh, Everything starts with understanding the dream customer avatar. You have a If you have that, if you know that this kind of person you can work with, then it will be easy for you to qualify and identify and qualify them, and convert them. And then after that, like on a sales call, if you say, uh, I ask them like the simple questions, like, are they really serious about their business or not? If they want to work with me, they have to take action. Because like, this is my own responsibility, and this is a stress on my head as well. If I'm working with someone and they are not, they are not getting that kind of, maybe you can say results, or maybe they are not achieving what they want to achieve, and we have now. Uh, in the future, I don't want them to reach at the level where our mindset don't match. So I will tell them clearly that, okay, if you are serious, then go with that. And and mainly my process is not to tell about them products. I tell them, I give them the confidence, the motivation that they can do it. If I can do it from where I belong, anybody can do it. So yeah.
That's a huge thing, and the biggest golden nugget of this session. The thing is, you have just told me in the answer that we have to make the clarity on our dream client avatar. So could you tell me the few things about the dream client avatar? How we can just create the particular dream client avatar for ourselves, for our business, for our that program that we are promoting.
Okay. So basically, there is a very misconception about dream avatar, which people I see have that, okay, age, this and that. Main thing is, you relate to those people? It only this is only matter. Uh, I'm an action taker. I admit that. I take action immediately. I take risk. So I want to work with those people also, that who are like me, right? And if, as you said about, as you asked about the first sale, I considered his whole aspect in the very first sale, because I was a student. I was about to join firm, and I was that stage that I am earning. I will earn $80 a month. So I related to that person. Like, he was a complete stranger, but he joined it, because I gave him the hope that we can make it possible. Okay, if we do this, and we're gonna make it possible. So That's much more better than the life we are expecting after CA after 4 5 years ago, like $80 or maximum $500 a month. So let's go, let's do it. And that really clicked that portion, and I made my first sale in the 17th day of joining high ticket for marketing. So this is the thing. And also about dream customer, your mindset should match your, you should know that you are not investing your time and effort on people who you think they are not going to invest in you. So the clarity, first you need to clear yourself, and then you can, observe people. If you and you can definitely relate to them. And I apply my OCS framework on that too, which is O means observation. I observe people, okay, where they're coming from, like what is their, way of seeing these things, way of what is their way of observing this system. So then I start more conversation, and then I close them at some level. Yeah.
Got it, got it. The one thing is that you have just shared that most of the people can relate and easily understand you because you have just made a degree, a certification of the CA that people have the biggest dream. They are just doing the practice. Some of my friends, some of my colleagues are want to become a CA, but they are just giving the exam from last 5 to 6 years. And I'm just saying that if you don't able to make get your certification from the chartered accountant or any organization where you want to get that, so you have to do something other that can fulfill your dreams. So you can
Yes.
just do that. Yeah. So when we are just diagnosis the people, when we are just observing the people, so how we can just diagnosis their problems? Is there any script for that?
No, I don't see. My way is very raw. My way is very natural. I guess this is how this is working for me so much, because I ask them the right things. Okay, what they are going through, what they are working on. Because if there's somebody is not making things work out, and if somebody is struggling with someone, there's always something missing in their in their framework. Their puzzle. So there's always something missing. So I try to find that. I ask them the right things, and what are they working on, and then they tell me that this is not working, and then I ask them that, okay, what is their pattern. So I try to understand, okay, this is the gap I can fill with my maybe coaching, with my product. So I suggest them that.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. The same thing that I have just learned in the OFA, we have to fill the gap between our client's mindset and what they want to do, the desired result and the position. So the thing is, you are doing awesome. Literally, I can just relate some of the things that I was not implementing on my business, and this is the golden again the booms thing for me. So most of the people are talking about the irresistible offer. If you have the irresistible offer, then it will be easier to close your high ticket program, or you can just close any client with your program or the affiliate program. So could you share some of the opinions on that?
Okay. Again, about the irresistible offer, my pattern is way different. I can say that I don't use any lead magnet. Me myself, my profile is a lead magnet for many people, right? When they go through that, I build my business like that they can see that I have achieved something and they want to work with me. So this is how we should work. That instead of running after client, we should spend some time on building a business like that, so we don't have to worry about these things, right? And then keeping up the momentum high. So this is the main thing which I do. And okay, so this is how it is. And the irresistible offer, again, I use myself as an accountability partner for them, and I ask them, okay, I am here, I did that. If I can do that, you can also do that. So I believe that in this 2022, I don't think so that these kind of bonuses which they are not gonna even open, that we give them in PDFs maybe, where they are not going to open. I think accountability really matters. People are going through a lot of stuff, and they're investing money. They need accountability, and my main irresistible offer is me. I am giving them that accountability, that confidence and motivation that they are going to make it work, and they will definitely.
That's really awesome thing for us because I can just understand people are just serving a lot of videos and lot of stuff, but they are not providing their own support, their
Yeah,
accountability thing, because
yeah,
this can be a biggest gap in their business if they are not making giving the
yeah,
accountability thing for that. Because
yeah.
if we are just providing the accountability, so we can share the things that people are not taking the action, we can just motivate them. We can I can just read that. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. So the thing is, could you share me any video call that you have remembered, or that you can just share with us, so we can just understand how did you close that and how you just acquire all the things. It's the small thing, the small thing.
Like I have to share that the specific experience.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Actually, my every call is like mostly now I don't close people on call. Like it's a messaging thing right now. But yeah, I can tell you about the fastest sale I did. There was a girl from Australia. Like she's a student, and she was very skeptical. She was just like wandering here and there to just get to learn in patches from here and there. Then I told her this is the major mistake which beginners do, that they try to learn here and there and they think that from learning in patches they can make it work because they are using different brains. This is not how it works. You need only one person to work with that can hold your hand, right? And then like I guess it's a 5 or 10 minutes conversation I did with her, and I just work on her mindset, that the mindset you guys, the girl, hey girl, you, the mindset you have, this is not the right thing. You, if you start learning in patches, this is not going to work for you. So go invest in one thing and start learning with that person, and that person gonna hold your hand, and gonna take you to where you want to reach, right? And now this girl is also crushing it, and I'm so happy for her. So the thing is, again, my way is motivating others, giving them hope. Being a coach, my way, my thing is I have to give them hope that whatever they were going through, they can change it, because I have changed my life completely.
Yes, I can see that you have changed a lot of, and you are just changing our life as well as by making the impact on ourselves. If you can just do that, we can also, with the help of you, yeah, we can. I can just understand the thing that because you have just made a great authority in in the market. So the thing is, uh, when you are just creating your content,
Yeah.
what is the approach you are using to creating the content? And is there anything that every message should present one message in the people's audience, in the market of your client?
Okay. I feel like we are in 2022. We don't need a strategic things. We need raw things. We need to be ourselves. If you know content, you are yourself. That you are focusing on what exactly or on what exactly matters. So my content approach is what I'm going through, whatever the problem I'm facing, whatever the questions I'm going through. Like people are asking me that question, I address them through my videos, through my life, through my stories. I address those things, and I think if I'm going through that, so maybe people are here who are going through the same thing, so they can relate. So yeah, my content approach is raw. My content approach is do whatever you want to do, say what you ever want to say. Don't hesitate to say, don't hesitate to give your message, because your message can hit anybody. If that person is your dream client, because sometimes you can't identify your dream client, but your dream client can identify you.
The biggest golden nugget ever. Yeah, we have to share the things that we can document our journey. The same thing that you are just doing, every problem that you face, you have just make the content on that, and you share, spread your message to on your post to your clients, so they understand. So the thing is, what is your thought, or for the people who just want to start their affiliate marketing, and as they are a beginner, so how did you share them some of the golden nuggets, or the thing that they should avoid, or they should make uh, changes or make the impact as like you on their people?
Okay, number one thing, in the beginning, you should not have high expectation. Okay, because most of the people, I feel like there is something. You have to understand there's a difference in personalities as well. Sometimes some things work so good for someone, and the same things don't work for anybody. So do according to your personality type. Understand who you are, what you want to do and what you can do. If you, because when you are comfortable in that, then you can achieve massive results, right? And also try to overcome your limiting beliefs as soon as possible, then this will work for you so much good. So at that pace that you always want to achieve. And never ever learn in patches, never ever learn in patches. Follow the framework, same perfect framework from the very first day, then you will never ever gonna struggle. Yep.
That's really really awesome. I can I sell this video in some dollars? Yeah, because I can understand that most of the people are sharing this thing in their paid programs, because I am in a lot of paid programs and I'm learning a lot of things from them as well as, and you're just sharing golden nuggets in this particular session in 30 minutes video. So I have already take your a lot of time. So the last thing is, so is there any particular thing that you want to share with my people, with my audience, so they can just understand the motive of affiliate marketing or the online business?
Well, first of all, I want to share this thing. Like you talked about degree and all that thing. Whatever degree you have, I think people should give it a chance to business. Take a chance on yourself. I feel like if I stayed at that point 6 months ago, that I'm not going to make it. I'm like I have a whole lot of limiting beliefs. I lost my investment. Everybody has this thing now. Most of the people don't invest with this fear of losing the investment. You can see that if we did that and now we are here, so you are losing a lot of money by just not getting out of that mindset, which is salary mindset. Okay, it was so hard for me as well in the beginning to leave that mindset, because I belong to the family who all people are salarized people. They are more into, even I think that I join tomorrow if I join a firm, my mom will be more happy because she thinks that salary is everything. So she wants security, but I think take a chance on yourself. And affiliate marketing is a great space. Direct jump into high ticket affiliate marketing and make your all dreams come true.
That's great. That's great. So the thing is where people can connect with you and how they can just find you, because I have just mentioned the one group link that
Yeah.
is your own group. So is there anything with that they can just connect with you and just learn from you?
Yeah, they can connect me on Facebook. I'm always 24/7, I guess, available on Facebook. So they can connect me on Facebook. And yeah, Facebook is my main platform. So definitely they can.
Okay, so the thing is, if anyone want to connect with Fatima Tariq and want to make some high ticket sales, so you definitely join the group and connect with Fatima. Fatima is really impacting a lot of huge thing on the people, and me also. I'm the person when I just connected on a call. I remember that, so that's why we are here now, and we are just connecting today. So thank you so much for this awesome interview, Fatima.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming on my show, giving me your precious time. So the thing is, I will just connect for you a while. Just let me end up the show. So I hope you have made a lot of golden nuggets notes, because in the yesterday video I just told you about, you have to make the notebook and just make the name to the golden notebook. Okay, golden nuggets notebook, and just making the note and implementing that, because without implementing we are not able to make the success that we want. We have to take the action. If we are just taking some of the ideas, just take the imperfect action on that. And I hope you will just learn a lot from this. Thank you so much for watching us, and we are just coming live with the next episode. Thank you so much for watching us. Bye bye.